Hi everyone, welcome to Yoyo Ndoki Kitchen and Lifestyle, and today we'll be making chicken cacciatore. However, it's my daughter's favorite way of eating chicken and vegetables, so I made it my own. So we're gonna call it today Didi's favorite chicken, or just Didi's chicken. Thank you. So guys, for the Didi's chicken, we are going to be needing some chicken thighs, bell peppers. We have red, yellow and green, some mushroom. I'm a big fan of mushroom. Jalapeno pepper. We have some cherry tomatoes, carrots, garlic, salt to taste, seasoning cube, and some spices. Also, we'll be cooking today with olive oil and as well the magic black pepper. So we're gonna grease our pan. Going to toss in the chicken. All right, we're going to season with black pepper. So now we're gonna add some salt. See, our chicken is ready to get into the oven. The black pepper on top, the thorough seasoning ready to be tossed into the oven, and we'll be baking at 350 degrees. So while the chicken is baking, I'm going to get all the veggies ready for our sauce. So guys, our chicken is baking nicely in the oven. We are going to let it bake at least 40 minutes. So now we are going to start. So we're going to add some olive oil. So the olives. So we're going to add the onions, some seasoning. Here we have no salt seasoning and garlic seasoning as well, lemon garlic. So we're going to saute the onions and we're going to add the garlic. The mushroom very nicely. Our jalapeno pepper. The crushed tomatoes goes inside. So the whole thing will be cooking at a medium heat. You can see it's all looking nice already. So now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients, starting with the carrots. It's already sliced. Our olives. Give it a stir. So we're gonna get our yellow pepper in. And as well the bell pepper. So our chicken is ready and out of the oven. This is out of the oven. So now our cut of veggies. We're going to make sure we get it into the chicken. Looking so good. Our little seasoning. This is bouillon cube. And some salt to taste. So guys, this is the food. We are gonna put it back in the oven to bake for another 3 minutes. So guys, our food is ready. And it's looking so amazing, guys. See how it turned out? You see what our chicken turned out? It's so amazing and very delicious. A good way to get your kids to eat some veggies. Also, original meal of this is done with wine. But because I'm cooking for kids, I don't use wine. I made it mine. So this is Yoyo Ndoki's original Didi's chicken. So you can go to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button at Yoyo Ndoki Kitchen and Lifestyle. Thank you. So guys, we have our tester ready to do justice to our delicious meal. So Miss Daniela, how do you see your meal?
Well, from the looks of it, it looks delicious.
Okay.
Absolutely delicious.
So you're gonna eat the meal to tell us how tasty it is, okay?
Jesus, please bless and sanctify my food. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Your Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen. tastes absolutely delicious. Love it.
Thank you. So guys, if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly go to Yoyondoki Kitchen and Lifestyle and subscribe to our channel, and we'll thank you for loving us. Thank you. Bye.